guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a Missguided haul for you. I am so excited about this. I have got some amazing bits. Oh my god, I love Missguided so much, and as you know, they quite regularly let me pick out a few bits, so that's what I've done and I'm going to share it with you. Right, so let's start off by addressing this top that I have on right now. So Missguided have come out with a collection with Umbro, which I am obsessed with. Honestly guys, the things in that collection, they've got like boob tubes, they've got tops. I was just loving the look of it online, so I picked up this red crop top. It's not really cropped, it's just kind of like a short top really, which I like because you could tuck it into trousers really easily. I would probably wear this with like some black or nude joggers. I would love to actually style this top up in this video, but I'm currently renovating my room, guys, so all of my clothes are downstairs in boxes. But it does mean that I could maybe do like a wardrobe tour or something, because I'm getting like custom built wardrobes because I can't handle all of my clothes. They're just not fitting anywhere, so I need like certain sections for certain things. I'm going off on a tangent, but yeah, anyway, I'm going to do that. So let me know if you'd like to see like a wardrobe tour or a room tour. I'm getting my bathroom renovated as well, so if you want to see anything of that, just let me know down below. I'll also have my makeup collection up when that's all done. It'll take a couple of months though. But anyway, getting back to this top, it's £28 and I just love it because it kind of looks like skins, but it's not. It's made of cotton, which I really like. I like the fact that it's got the Umbro branding down the arm as well. I just feel super cool in this, and Lord knows I'm not a cool girl, but I feel like a lady footballer or something. Don't I look cute? Did I say they've got this in black as well? And I definitely need to get my hands on it because I'm just in love. How well does it go with a red lip as well? And these hoops. These hoops are from Missguided as well. I'll link them down below, along with all of these items. Next up, I have this tie front crop top. This is £20 and I love these so much. I just think they look so glam, and I like to wear these just with kind of like a lowish crop top, like the ones that I get in Primark and stuff, or just any one that comes quite low. Like if you've got smallish boobs, you probably don't need a bra with this. I think these look so nice without a bra, but I just personally need to wear a bra, so I like to wear them with those just because they come down quite low. And these go with jeans for during the day, or they'll go with like high-waisted pants for a night time. They're just really versatile, and I just really like the stripe. I think it's dead cute. Next, I've got this panel detail denim mini skirt. This is £25. It is in petite, but they have it in like their normal sizing as well, so I'll link both down below. And it's got a little ring pull zip up the front, which I think is a nice detail, and I just am into denim skirts at the moment, and it's kind of difficult to find good fitting petite ones, so I did get this one. It's got pockets at the back and it also has belt loops as well. Next, I picked up this red cropped biker jacket. This is £30 and I don't actually own a biker jacket. Like I have denim jackets and I've got leather jackets. I think that I'm liking red at the minute. I didn't actually realise that, but it seems to be what I've been drawn to. But I just love the colour of this. I think it's really nice. It's really soft, and I think it will look super cute with lots of outfits. So next up, I have some cute lingerie and pajama bits. If you guys haven't checked out Missguided's lingerie and their pajama section, they literally have it all going on. It is on point. And the prices are really decent as well. So I picked up this lingerie set. I'll show you the bra first. It's this lacy cage detail bra. So the bits go like over your boobs. Obviously I'm not going to try this on for you guys because it's a little bit see-through and a little bit sexy, but how gorgeous is this? I love this so much. This was originally £22. It's currently £8, which is such a great price, and it's just super cute. I really like it. And then it's got some bottoms to match. These are £10, so you're getting a set of lingerie for £18. How good is that? So it's a thong, but I don't actually own any knickers like this, so it has the bit that goes around your waist, and it's got this like ruched band as well, which I think is really pretty. And then it's also got this strap bit, which just adds so much sexiness. I actually really like that you buy the bra and the knickers separately, because I'm personally a different size on the top to my bottoms, so it just means you can mix and match your sizes. Next up, I got the cutest pair of pajamas. So the top is this cropped cami, which is just beautiful. These come in different colours as well, but I just absolutely love this blue colour. They have it in a really nice like nudie pink as well, which is so pretty, and black, which is nice, but I just love it. And the straps are adjustable as well, so this set is £20 and the bottoms are like high-waisted because the top is cropped, and look at them, they just kind of like flare out a little bit on the legs and they're just absolutely gorgeous. So guys, I absolutely love Missguided's collection of bathrobes. Bathrobes? Am I American now? Dressing gowns. They've got some really cute, super sexy, like silky ones, but then they've also got like gorgeous looking fluffy ones. Honestly guys, get yourself on there if you're after a dressing gown. But I picked up this one. This is like a candy stripe, super pretty one. It's not too long and I just thought that this would be so cute in summertime, and it says dreamy on the back and I just love everything about this. It's the candy stripe though that I love so much about this. Did I say this is £28? I don't think I did, but they have it in different colours as well. I already have the black one and it's got like nudie pink piping detail and it's so pretty, so I just wanted to pick up another one for like spring summertime because I think this will look super cute just hanging in my new bathroom on the back of the door as well. Is that sad? Probably. Do you know what I like to do though? I like to have pamper sessions and then get into some really cute pajamas and a dressing gown, and it just makes me feel all like nice and pamped, so I like them for that. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what is your favourite item from this haul. I think mine is actually this Umbro top. I love it so much. I'm obsessed with it. I just love Missguided. They've got some gorgeous bits on there. They've always got discounts going on as well, so check out their homepage. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see like a room tour, makeup collection, all of that jazz, and I'll get to it, and I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye!